those are the two boilers. What are those? How big are these? What brand is this? How do these work?
How do they work?
Well, I don't know. That's a hard question to ask, but I'm just trying to think back how Splash went. So
they're redundant. We have almost a redundancy on all of our systems here. We only really need one. Almost all homes have one. But because of what we do here, everything's redundant. So what will happen is, when there's a need, one will kick on. When it runs through its cycle, it'll kick over to the other. So we're constantly using both, so we're not wearing one out. We have quarterly maintenance on all of this with our mechanical HVAC supplier, Harvey and Price. You might have seen them come through the facility. They were out here last week. So pumps, we just had one of them go out. You can tell the different color. I believe this is what kind of kicks the water through the facility. So we have our 4 different pumps. I think they're set up for each of the chiller pads. So we'll have two chillers, 2 pumps each, all the redundancy behind it. And then over here you got our septic. I guess it's where all the shit flows into, and then it pumps out to the city.
all right.
One of the main lines comes down through, and then you can see some of the air venting that goes out. This is primarily where all that smell comes from. So we increased since I've been here, we increased the cleaning of specifically the pit to quarterly instead of every biannual.
Yeah, since you've been here, I have noticed that has improved. Because every once in a while, like, we've got like a brief smell of it walking here, but
Still do.
yeah,
It's actually lessened to a couple hours versus days. We also increased some of the bio rooter that goes into it, so we're really trying to break stuff down chemically. And then again, we have this clean. We have another protocol which we have a lot of drain lines that flow through here from other restrooms and other cafe upstairs. So what we'll do is we'll do manual flushes.
okay.
We get buckets of water and just make sure the lines are constantly being flushed and cleaned. When we did it the first time, we had the trap open, which is just here, and you could see giant clumps of crap being pushed through.
What was the problem with that? I guess
I don't know what the problem is.
Yeah.
I just know with our routine,
It's
the
improved.
biorouter, more cleaning, flushing the lines periodically, and then doing injection flushes from the outside in has improved the amount of smell and the durations.
Okay.
I don't know why we have it. I don't know what the